Good afternoon to all. So class will be started within 3 minutes. So please place your roll number as your name. So it is very easy to take attendance. Who is this person is giving as a name as per your password. So whenever password better. So please put your roll number instead of your name. So okay. So my subject is construction materials. So construction nothing but construction, then nothing but materials. Okay. So construction, nothing but materials. So every engineering that is CSC cover as EC. So every engineering branch has using some certain materials. Okay. According to our subject, so construction material from our branch that is civil branch naturally. So according to our branch that is civil engineering branch, the material is obtained from nature. So no one can be modified. Okay. So nature. Those materials we called as a constructional materials, and also these constructional materials is also known as building materials. Okay. So వీటికి ఇంకొక ఏంటంటే building materials అంటాం. So these constructional materials also called as building materials. So coming to the first unit, stones. Okay. So stones are naturally available material. Quarried or సో స్టోన్స్ అనేవి natural గా మనకు అవైలబుల్ మెటీరియల్స్. సో దీస్ మెటీరియల్స్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఓకే. సో న్యాచురల్ గా మనకు అవైలబుల్ వచ్చేది రాక్. సో దట్ రాక్ కెన్ బి మోడిఫైడ్ ఇంటూ to a form. That form we call as a stone. Okay. The properties of the properties of stones depends on the rock. That is we call as a parent rock under. So that we call as a parent rock. So stones can be made into different sizes and shapes. Okay. So naturally quarries use a stones so that don't have particular shape and particular size. Okay. Particular shape and a particular size. So that can be made into different sizes. So our convenient. So if you want 2 feet and 2 feet, you can cut the stone the size of 2 feet and 2 feet. So that is size. So if you want to cut in a circular shape, okay, you can cut the your stone can be circular shape. Okay. Coming to the rock. So stone coming from the rock. So rock is a mother for the stone. Okay. So first you can study about rocks. So rock is a solid material. So it is also available naturally as it contains different types of materials in it. So rock is a not a single material. So it is a solid form. So it contains different types of materials in it. These materials are not homogeneous. So homogeneous meaning nothing but equality. Okay. It is not homogeneous. It is not homogeneous material. So rock is not a homogeneous material. So it is available naturally. So homogeneous meaning all materials so present in the rock are shared equally. So here all materials are not shared their properties equally in the rock. So next topic is classification. Rocks can be classified into three types. First, second one is physical classification. Third one is chemical classification. Okay. So coming to the geological classification, again the geological classification also divided into three types, that is sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks. Okay. So it is again divided into this see in the figure classification of rocks. Classification of rocks. You can see the figure. I can show you. So rocks are classified as three types: geological classification, physical classification, chemical classification. Again, the geological classification also can be further divided into three types. First one is sedimentary rocks, second one is igneous rocks, third one is metamorphic rocks. So coming to the sedimentary rocks, is not coming. So come on, see that. So classification of rocks. So it is divided into three types. First one is geological, second one is physical, third one is third one is chemical. Okay, you can see the chemical. So coming to the geological, so it is again divided into three types. So first one is sedimentary rocks. You can see the sedimentary rocks. So the sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments obtained by the weathering of pre-existing rocks. So already if there is a rock, pre-existing of but ఆల్రెడీ రాక్ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది నాన్న. సో ఆ రాక్ అనేది బ్రోక్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే మళ్ళీ అవి ట్రావెల్ అవుతాయి బై ట్రావెలింగ్ త్రూ వాటర్ ఆర్ గ్రావిటీ. ఓకే, గ్రావిటీ నథింగ్ బట్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఫోర్స్. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఫోర్స్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ గ్రావిటీ. ఓకే, న్యాచురల్ గా మూవ్ అయ్యేదాన్ని గ్రావిటీ. ఓకే, వీడియో రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది, అది కావాలంటే మీకు వాట్సాప్ లో పెడతాను. మీరు వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లోకి ఒకరు వస్తున్నారు, ఇది తలకాయ తింటాను. ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నారు చూడండి. కట్ అవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా? So see that first one is sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments. So sediments are nothing but it is a formation of pre-existing of rocks. ఓకే, రాక్ ఫార్మేషన్ జరిగేటప్పుడు అంటే ఆల్రెడీ రాక్ ఫార్మేషన్ జరిగి ఉంటుంది. సో అగైన్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి బ్రోకెన్, సో బేస్డ్ అపాన్ సమ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. సో ఆ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తర్వాత రాక్ అనేది బ్రేక్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అది ఏమవుతుందంటే క్లమ్జీ అవుతుంది, అంటే క్లబ్ అవుతుంది, అంటే కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుంది, అంటే కలుస్తుంది మళ్ళీ అన్ని మెటీరియల్స్తో. సో ఆ టైంలో ఒక చిన్న చిన్న లేయర్స్ ఏర్పడతాయి. సో దట్ లేయర్స్ వి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ సెడిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ సెడిమెంట్స్ formed a new form. That form is called as a sedimentary rock. Okay, so these sediments can be transported by various agents such as water, wind and gravity. So the examples for the shut. Hari Babu, please mute your voice. It is giving problem. వస్తూనే ఉన్నారు స్వామి ఇంకా వీళ్ళ క్లాసులకి. హ్యాపీనింగ్.